first two things I always think about when you are working on your budget are guest count and location. So how many humans am I inviting to this wedding and where am I hoping to have it? Because once you know how many and then what city, you can really start to hone in on what the price point will be. Getting married in New York City is very different than getting married in Kansas. So location and guest count are the first two things. And then from there, you sort of figure out what your priorities are when it comes to entertainment. Are you a band or DJ? Two very different prices. For flowers, are you looking for something simple on the tables, or tables and walls, or tables, walls, and ceilings? Budgets can range based on selection. Starting with guest count and location is number one, and then from there, that's the core of your budget that you can grow and build off of.